Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of growing elephant garlic in containers. But first, what is elephant garlic? Despite its name, it's not a true garlic, but a member of the leek family. It produces large, mild-flavored cloves that are perfect for roasting, sautéing, or enjoying raw in salads. Growing elephant garlic in containers is a fantastic way to cultivate this giant bulb, even if you have limited space. Containers offer better control over soil quality, drainage, and pest protection, making it easier to grow healthy and flavorful bulbs right on your patio, balcony, or backyard. Plus, there's nothing more rewarding than harvesting your own homegrown garlic. Ready to get started? Let's grow some elephant garlic. The first step is selecting a suitable container. Opt for a large container with a diameter of at least 12 inches and a depth of 12 to 18 inches. This ensures enough space for the garlic bulbs to develop fully. Fill the container with well-draining potting soil. We will need to acquire a sufficient quantity of well-composted chicken manure to effectively enrich the soil, as this particular organic fertilizer serves as a powerhouse of essential nutrients crucial for promoting healthy plant growth. Additionally, we will also require quality mulch to assist in moisture retention, temperature regulation, and prevention of weed growth in the container. Now let us proceed to enhance the soil's fertility by adding some composted chicken manure. This organic amendment improves soil structure, transforming it into a more aerated and fertile medium that encourages healthy elephant garlic plants' development. With enhanced porosity, the soil allows for improved air circulation and root penetration, which are essential for optimal growth conditions. Utilizing a hand shovel, carefully incorporate the manure into the soil, ensuring that it is mixed thoroughly and evenly to promote optimal nutrient distribution and enhance the overall health of the soil. It is important to ensure that the mixture reaches adequate depth and consistency, allowing the beneficial components of the composted manure to effectively enrich the soil. When planting the cloves, ensure that each clove is positioned with the pointed end facing upwards. Carefully place the cloves approximately 2 to 3 inches deep into the prepared soil to provide adequate coverage and support for the developing roots. It is also important to maintain a spacing of 6 to 8 inches between each clove. This spacing is crucial as it allows sufficient room for the plants to grow and expand without competing for nutrients, water, or sunlight. Carefully cover the bulbs with soil, ensuring that they are adequately nestled beneath the soil to provide the optimal conditions for growth. By diligently following these comprehensive guidelines, you will significantly promote healthy growth and lay the foundation for a successful and bountiful harvest. To enhance the nutritional quality of the soil and provide your garlic plant with the essential nutrients it needs to flourish, it is recommended that you carefully add a layer of composted chicken manure over the surface of the soil. This application will not only enrich the existing soil but also create a favorable environment for the growth and development of the garlic. Next, add a layer of organic mulch in order to effectively protect the garlic cloves from potential environmental stressors and to enhance the overall growth conditions. This mulch layer will help regulate soil temperature, retain moisture, suppress weed growth, and gradually enrich the soil as it breaks down, thereby promoting healthier development of the garlic plants. Ensure that the mulch is applied evenly and adequately covers the planting area to maximize these benefits. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Throughout the growing season, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Garlic prefers regular watering rather than drying out completely between waterings. Place the container in a sunny spot where it will receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. That's it, Enthusiast Gardener. Growing elephant garlic in containers is a fun and rewarding experience. In just a few days you can expect to see your carefully planted garlic bulbs begin to emerge from the soil, giving rise to vibrant green sprouts that will reach towards the sunlight. These small green shoots signify that the garlic is establishing itself well in its growing environment and is on its way to developing into a robust and bountiful harvest. Growing elephant garlic in containers is a rewarding experience, offering fresh, flavorful garlic bulbs even in limited space. Follow these steps, and you'll soon be enjoying your homegrown elephant garlic. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share to support the channel. Happy organic gardening!